Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to your daily updates on Bitcoin. We'll focus on Bitcoin, but obviously then you will also be a little bit more prepared for the rest of the markets. And yeah, so we'll do a full update. Yesterday was relatively volatile because after the US opening, we got a big liquidation spike into this area right here at 62,800. And by the way, this is the 1 hour time frame, right? So we're really zoomed in. But I do think that all the 1 hour moves now do matter, all right? But we'll get to that a little bit later. So we got a bit of a liquidation spike, but ultimately, and that's also what we talked about yesterday, I was leaning a little bit more towards being bullish. And eventually we did get the breakout above that level we were talking about at 63,800 and 64,000. Liquidated quite a lot of shorts here. You can see those three spikes. That was 3 times that we actually liquidated some shorts, as you can see down here. And then what we've seen so far this morning is a bit of a pullback, all right? And that is also, I think this pullback, and kind of if we can hold this level here, I think that's going to be the most crucial thing for today, all right? Because if we're able to hold this level, then it's most likely, and we, for example, get some sort of a reclaim above 64,000 again, because we have failed to hold that. But if we can do that, then we're going into 65,000, potentially even 66, even though I would say that's a little bit high. That's not what I would expect. And if we're unable to hold this level and we're breaking down below 63,700, then that would mean that this was just one big kind of deviation from this consolidation we were in, and then we'll at least drop back down to 62,500 with the potential of actually dropping down lower, and that is something we have talked about earlier. We can drop down towards this level right here between 62 and 60,500. So that's something we'll see over the course of today. Now, when we try to predict that, and when we talk a little bit more about that, I think the fundamental situation in the markets is still very bullish, right? So the dollar strength index actually fell down here, got a significant bearish breakout. That is insanely bullish for asset markets, stocks, crypto, etc. And then apart from that, you can also see that the S&P 500 has been able to again hold this breakout above its previous all-time high. And just in general, like historically, if you look back at all the times that the stock market, that the S&P actually made an all-time high, dropped down, and then got back up to that all-time high, every time we have been able to continue the big uptrend we've been in, right? So this looks bullish. At this point of time, Bitcoin is the most correlated it has been to the S&P 500 in a very long period of time. So therefore, ultimately, I am still bullish on the crypto markets. But like I said, I mean, maybe we need some sort of a flush. Maybe we need some sort of a reset here before continuing. The volume, for example, if you look at Bitcoin here, is also relatively low. And to really get a breakout here, and to really, I would say, if we zoom out, to really get into like 67, 68,000, we'd need more volume than this. So I would say short term, because of that lack of volume, and also because we are losing some momentum here, we got a bit of we got some major longs closed after the short liquidations. I would say it's slightly more likely we'll pull back here. That's at least what I'm most prepared for right now. But ultimately, the best thing you can do to really be prepared for everything here is wait for either us to break back above 64,000, because then I was wrong and we're going to be bullish. And I'm also positioned for this, right? So it doesn't, that I think it's most likely we'll pull back, doesn't really say anything about my trading or my trading activities. But if we're able to really fail to hold 63,700 here, then I do think this is confirmed in combination with the other circumstances and the other factors. But those are my thoughts. I'll keep you updated on this, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. You can also join the Telegram or the Discord group for that. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day, and bye.